Okay, what we got here is a Wix 57002 oil filter. And this is a white one. Usually I see them, they're black. See here, it says made in Mexico. Hope you can pick that up. And made by Man and Hummel. It says there's no bypass valve. I'd be interested. So it must be either mounted vertically like this, or the vehicles that it goes into already have bypass valves. But it looks like a sturdy little filter. It's kind of got some weight to it. And you get your typical O-ring here. Well, let's cut this open and see what she looks like inside. Be right back. Okay, here she is. You get your typical base plate here, typical O-ring. You know, it'll serve it well. Got 8 holes. There's no anti-drainback valve. I counted 42 pleats, and they're all spaced pretty evenly. There's no excess glue. There's just a little bit there, but that's not bad. You got a metal crimp seam here. That's nice. Your bypass valve right here, which has a setting of 11 to 14 psi. The filter width is about 1 1/8. And the filter media is enhanced cellulose. That's what they got on their website. The inner's got louvers. Metal core with inner louvers. And the micron rating for this is, it says a nominal micron rating of 15. So like I said, oh, also it's got a coil spring. Like I said, no bypass valve, so this is either mounted vertically, or the applications for it have bypass valves inside their engines. All right, let me cut this open. I'll cut this media open and see how long it is. Be right back. Okay, there she is. She's just shy of 36 inches. She goes. You get your inner here. It's a pretty well made filter. I don't see no problems with it. On the box, it said, you know, you got to pick this up on there, but right here it says, you know, follow the manufacturer's recommendations. And it says go like between 3,750 and 10,000 miles. So I guess they rate this for at least 10,000 miles or 12 months. It says don't exceed 12 months. I guess that's about it for this filter. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching. Take care.